Beautiful.
And I don't think anything will happen to it.
Really? If water get inside?
Yeah, just don't have it out too long.
Okay. Wow. You don't get to see the site every day.
Uguale.
Try to say hi.
Comuni, perché sai, e anch'io ragiono i comuni. Dopo dei numeri comuni abbiamo fatto una proxy dicendo che sono le città grandi, quindi siamo arrivati a 250 comuni più o meno che potremmo servire. E quindi a questo punto lì
Oh, I'm falling back.
mi ha fatto uguale. Lui non mi ricordo.
I gotta run. Wow.
Pink and lilac just for the fun of it.
Which mountain is this? Is there a name?
I have no idea. Does the mountain have a name? Does this region or hill have a name? Or mountain?
When's more kids?
This mountain, what is the name? Dat berghuis waar we drauf gaan.
Each one of the mountains has a name.
Oh, so
It's the one. Okay.
the one we're standing on.
But we're not on the very top. Just wait for a minute.
Oh yeah, just wait. Let's wait. Probably.
Yeah, exactly. Over there. There's like.
Oh wow. So I was talking about wild animals, huh?
Yeah, exactly.